How to put TikTok videos in slow motion. So if you want your TikTok videos on slow motion, then first of all open up your TikTok application and then go for the create icon, which is on the bottom middle, and now go for upload, or you can also take a video right now. So I'll be taking a video. And then tap on the tick, which is on the right, and now you can go for edit, which is on the upper side, and from here you can simply select the video, and after selecting, now you can go for the speed option, which is on the bottom, and then you can go for if you want to speed your video, then you can go for the right side, like 2x, 5x or 10x, or if you want that in slow motion, then you can go for then you can go backwards from the 1x. You can go for here, or you can tap here or here. So by that, your video will be on slow motion. So that's it. That's how you make your slow-mo videos. And you can simply tap on save, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go for again save, which is on the upper right, and now you can tap on next and you can post that video. So that's it. That's how you make slow motion videos on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.